Guys, I'm back. We're back. Good freaking morning, guys. Oh my gosh, it's been a long time since I've vlogged and since I posted. And I do apologize for that, but I am working on some stuff and I'm trying to make more content and trying to make more videos and vlogs. But we're officially back and I'm very excited. Today, it is Saturday. It's October 5th. It's October 4th. Currently, 9:24, and you and I are gonna go on a hike. So yeah, we're going to Mount Charleston. It's kind of cold out, so vibes. I need to get ready because I'm gonna leave in like 15 minutes, but I'm heading to Maddie's house, and then from there we're gonna go pick up Larissa and then head to Mount Charleston. And Christine's also coming. I think we're doing Cathedral Rock hike, which I did it once. Beautiful, very beautiful, and I wish I brought my camera. I am right now. Yeah, bro, let's get ready. Alright, y'all, rate the fit. Okay, I need to leave in literally 4 minutes, so speed round. Okay, just leaving now, on my way to Maddie's house. Let's go. Yeah!
Wait, should I sit in the middle for the vlog?
Oh my gosh, have you ever been in the vlog? I don't think you have. Of
course, I'm sure she has. Well, I'm here now. I'm just kidding.
Well, this is Christine.
First impression.
First impression.
Hey. Oh my gosh. I just woke up. Excuse me, so sorry. Hi. Good morning.
Oh,
Good morning.
who wants me to get their mustache and beard?
I just shaved. Same.
Is there something wrong with the lighting in my house? Because I look in the mirror, no hair.
Real life shiz over here.
With a little mirror, and I'm like,
We're real women just like you. We're relatable. Just like you. Who are you talking to?
Edit.
what?
Girls.
The girls, just like you. We have our matcha. We're going on a hike.
I go into another room.
Yeah, and
I can't think of anything.
Me too. That's why I can't freaking vlog.
damn, the pressure of the camera is real.
It's real. No. Excuse me.
Cheers.
We're not cheetah love.
We brought the hype. We started the chants. We're talking about girls' camp.
Yeah.
Let me bring it back for you. I'm trying to remember what I
don't remember it at all.
Wait.
We made some chants for girls' camp because we were asked to bring the hype. And the hype we brought. The hype was brought.
You're like, oh, should I?
Yo, I got a tongue twister for you. Betty
Oh, okay.
Betty bought some butter, but the butter was too bitter, so she bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better.
Wow. My turn.
Booty.
Hey, do it again.
Don't turn around.
Turn around.
Why are you so quiet?
Unfortunately, we can't hear you.
Really? I feel like this is you. How's that?
Okay, guys, everyone come up with your greatest bit.
Greatest bit.
Has to be funny.
Greatest bit?
Unfortunately, we don't do that good with staged humor. Because
No, we don't.
we're naturally funny, so when it's on the stage, it's just
Alright, I'm
not
ready.
as artificial.
I'm ready. So was this a tap?
My greatest bit is. Are you kidding me? Oh, no. Alright guys, we made it. We just parked and now we're gonna get going on our hike. We did park. Okay, it's so packed here, so we couldn't park in the parking lot, but we did find parking. But guys, look at this view. Okay, this isn't the best lens to have, but look.
I'll sip from it. So we have water.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Lucy?
I'm okay. Thank you.
No. Can you do something for me?
Oh, yeah. My bad.
Could you just tuck this like through the backpack strap?
Yes. Oh, yeah. Cute.
And ready?
Ready.
Because I was telling Anna, I was like, dude, like, I don't.
Yes, we out here.
Okay.
We out here.
With my water bottle.
Okay, so we just made it to the parking lot. Maddie had to go pee. Feeling good. Feeling good. Wait, where's the trail? Oh, we have to walk
there.
Oh,
Actually.
no, because there's no entrance to the trail.
Wait.
Whenever you're ready.
I can't remember.
Yeah.
Hey, give me a beat.
Yo, Ricky Morty, Ricky Morty, Ricky Morty, Ricky Morty, Rick.
Can't find the Tyler.
No, I'm sorry.
Yes! You do?
Yes!
It's in there.
Where?
It's in there just for you.
Oh, sorry.
I'm sorry.
Or is it like in the pocket?
Should I have grabbed it?
Let's see. So those are the snacks. Do you know whereabouts?
There was literally
In the zipper.
toilet paper with diarrhea on it in the trash can. Yeah. Go on a hike. It's a trip.
Girls.
Perfect.
They can feel around. There's like so many things happening.
We're doing things we like.
Feel
it's
around
our day
in a big
off.
bag of
Trying to
things
have
and
fun.
find exactly what they need. Wait, what? Oh my gosh, wait, I think I just found the perfect walking stick. Wait, this looks like someone else's stick.
That is what I'm saying. No place will get to the top. Don't doubt it. We'll never stop.
Oh, no! Okay, my battery is about to die. So I'm just gonna get the most important shots, but we are about to start. Let's go. Everyone come here. Everyone come here.
Before the hike.
Before the hike. Us before the hike. All right, let's go. Okay, we're about like halfway. We just took a snack break, and guys, it is so beautiful. Vibes are great. Vibes are high. I was struggling a lot. I was was gonna say a little bit, but I was struggling a lot, and that's okay. And that's okay. And that's alright. And that's okay. I'm alive. We made it. We made it halfway. Are we halfway? Or are we almost done? We're halfway.
Doesn't get better than this.
Not at all. Like all the public is like around. We're just like. Excuse me. Excuse me. Alright, we're just chilling right now. We just ate some snacks. I don't know if you can hear me, but we just ate some snacks. And we're just vibing right now. Vibes. Oh!
You know, yesterday was National Boyfriend Day.
Yeah, and I was like, skip.
No, I was like, can't wait for today. I'm a boyfriend. What's up? Yes, up.
What?
Oh, sorry. No, like because.
Oh, because of all of us.
because
We're all boyfriends.
Right.
Guys, we made it. We did it. Oh, sorry, it's so bright. That was hard. It was like doable. What a great Saturday. My lips are trapped. What a great Saturday. welcome back to the vlog. It's been a while and I feel like I had such an amazing summer that I just wanted to vlog everything, and then I came back to work and everything honestly has just been so fun. Like, work has been so chaotic but so fun that I kind of just forgot to vlog, and like I just got so busy. But here I'm back. I'm back again. I'm vlogging. Today I actually called off of work because there's a stomach bug going around at the school, and I think I caught it, but I'm okay, but I'm like, let me just take the day off. Anyways, just been chilling at home, doing a lot more work. But my freaking package came in today and I had no idea that it was gonna come today. Anyways, I bought, let me just close this up to pretend I didn't already open it up. I bought the Ray-Ban Metas. I just thought it would help me out a little bit more with behind the scenes, like BTS when I'm shooting. This is so like official. Ray-Ban Meta, get started. Okay, scan to get started. Okay, I'm gonna do this first. It's just basically saying scan to get started. I'm gonna scan a QR code, probably take me to an app. I've never owned these, but my friend has them, and they're not as expensive as I thought they were gonna be. And my friend who has them, like, he did a couple videos and I was just like, I want to do that. Like, I want to do that. Okay, so yeah, it takes you to this app, the Meta AI. Okay, AI is getting crazy. It's, wow. So there's the charging case, and then we have a cord, and then it tells you the battery level. This is the app. Get started with Meta AI. Set up device. I'm gonna do, so it takes you to your Instagram account because Meta, but I'm gonna do soifuaflix. As much as I want to do my personal account, I'm using it for, I'm using it for soifuaflix. Okay, but it's taking me to my personal account because probably that's the one that has the Meta. That's fine. This is crazy. This is freaking crazy. Okay, I'm just setting it up on my, whoa, and then this little book. What is this? Huh? Okay, let me take the case out. I'm scared. Do you guys ever get scared when like you buy like a laptop or a phone and like you have to take it out of the case, but you don't want your like sweaty gremlin little hands to be on it? Anyone? No, just me? Okay, for sure. For sure, skis. Okay, because like I am terrible at opening envelopes, like mail. So, and like with Amazon, I just ripped that shit. I was like, this is a nice box. Woo! I've never like broken anything too, so I'm like fine. Okay, wait. There's a tab. Do you see it? Okay, let me just chill. Yay! Yeah. Gulp. Oh my. Yo, that was nasty. Sorry. Sorry. Oh my gosh! Like, how is a case the charging case? Like, how? Alright, let's open it. Can you guys see? Oh! Pull the tab. It says pull the tab. Pull it. You pull it. Huh? What? Ah! It's white now! Remove the tab to begin. Remove the protective tab to set your glasses properly. Leave the glasses inside the case so they can power on and charge. If the LED doesn't turn blue, press and hold the pairing button on the back of the case for 5 seconds. Release when the case blue LED turn on. It's pairing. Yes! No, I can't skip the tour. I need it. Holy shit balls. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Watch it like not fit.
Wait, were there sizes on it? I don't even know. Oh. What the they're actually so cute. Huh? Take a photo? Oh my god. Guy because it was like long ago, but sorry, let me catch my breath. Yeah, catch your breath.
Yo, why are you recording?